How to fix Apple Watch ping isn't working correctly. 1. Check your connection. Check that your Apple Watch and iPhone are correctly connected and working properly. 2. Switch off airplane mode. If your iPhone is in airplane mode, it can't communicate via Wi-Fi, which means it can't communicate with your Apple Watch. Switch the mode off to restore the connection. 3. Restart your devices. Restart your Apple Watch and iPhone to fix many common issues. 4. Update your software. Update both your Apple Watch and iPhone to the latest software to fix any bugs that may occur with the ping feature. 5. Reset your iPhone network settings. Go to Settings, General, Reset Network Settings to reset your iPhone network settings and then restart the phone. Sometimes this can fix many connection issues.